This ribbon is from Hobby Lobby and it has a burlap feel to it. Now I'm going to use my favorite scissors. I do have a link to those in the description below, as well as this little stapler. It is a Tim Holtz Tiny Attacher, one of my favorite tools in my craft room. Now, this is what I do when I have ribbon that is stiff and I want to make a bow. I don't want to hold it in my hands because my fingers cramp up and it doesn't look right and the twists don't come out. And so this is what I do. I've been doing it for years. So I'm just sharing this little tip with you. I just make individual loops, like 2 loops like that. And then I staple them in the middle. The reason I staple it is because I layer them on the top. So this is how I make a bow. This I'm going to use in the middle, and so I'm just going to cut just strips of these. I cut them at 10 inches and I will just dovetail the ends. To put the bow together, I will use a Chanel stem, or you can use wire if you would like. Now I have my little bow pieces here, and I kept some of that thick burlap because I want to use that as the tails. So what I do, guys, is I will just figure out how I want the bows. I usually put the biggest loops on the bottom, like if I don't get them all even. And then what I'm showing you here is this ribbon. I just scrunch it in the middle just to kind of like loosen it up just a little bit. And I'm even trying to put some hot glue to see if it kind of holds. And so what I discovered is that kind of works pretty good. So I just put some hot glue, and then I got my little black clamps that I like to get from the dollar store. And I just hold those there until I get ready to use them. Just set them to the side. Those clamps work really good. And this just kind of helps gather that thick ribbon in the middle, and so that I can work with it.